Ever found yourself stuck with mundane videos, wishing you could transform them into eye-catching animations effortlessly? Well, you're in for a treat today. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on how to use the Domo AI Video Generator. We will show you how to transform ordinary footage into captivating animations with ease. Now, let's face it, converting regular videos into engaging animations can be quite the challenge. But what if I told you that there's a way to not only animate your videos but also give them a voice that's just as dynamic? That's where ElevenLabs comes in, offering state-of-the-art voice synthesis to complement your animations. In this video, I am going to show you step-by-step how to use Domo AI Video Generator, the leading AI video generator. With Domo AI Video Generator, you can transform your videos into stunning animations. And with ElevenLabs, you can add voiceovers that are incredibly lifelike.
Debes aceptar el cambio como
Making your animations truly come to life. Before we dive in, let me share some key features that make Domo AI a game changer. This powerful tool not only simplifies the process but also elevates the quality of your videos. It offers a variety of styles, including anime and 3D cartoon, allowing you to unleash your creativity. Plus, it's equipped with AI technology, ensuring a seamless transformation from video to animation. Domo AI stands out with its intuitive design and robust features. Text-to-video craft compelling narratives from simple text prompts. Image-to-video, breathe life into static images with dynamic motion. Video-to-video, elevate your existing footage with a variety of artistic styles. User-friendly interface, navigate and create with an interface designed for ease and efficiency. Customization at your fingertips, tailor every aspect of your video, from style to duration, to perfectly match your vision. And when it comes to adding a voice to your animations, ElevenLabs is the perfect partner. With its advanced voice cloning technology, you can create voiceovers that are rich, natural, and in perfect sync with your animated characters. Now that we know what Domo AI has to offer, let's get hands-on with the Domo AI Video Generator and witness the magic unfold. Step 1. Accessing the Domo AI Video Generator. Simply search for Domo AI app and hop into their hub of Domo AI's community, their Discord server. Don't worry. I'll guide you through the entire process. Step 2. Navigating the server. Once you're in, take a moment to explore. Scroll down the channels on the left until you find the Generate Video sections. Explore the existing videos to get inspired. These channels are your gateway to animation. Step 3. Generating your first video. Select a channel and type /video to kick off the process. You'll be prompted to upload your video. For example, let's take a woman dancing as our prompt. Hit enter and watch as Domo AI offers a variety of styles to choose from. Step 4. Choosing your style. From anime to fusion style, the choices are endless. But let's talk favorites. The Japanese anime is crowd pleaser. Decide if you want the AI to focus on your video or the prompt. I recommend refer to the source video for a more authentic feel. Domo AI offers flexibility, allowing you to experiment until you find the perfect fit for your video. Step 5. Finalizing your creation. Next up, duration. Whether it's a quick 3-second glimpse or a 10-second showcase, pick what suits your needs. I'm going with a 3-second clip. Click Start, and voila! Your video is now an animation. The Domo AI Video Generator is your go-to solution for transforming ordinary videos into extraordinary animations. Step 6. Tweaking and perfecting. Check out the results. If you spot something off, like an extra finger, don't fret. Experiment with different styles or prompts. Remember, the perfect animation is all about trial and error. Step 7. Adding a voice with ElevenLabs. Now, let's give your animation a voice. Head over to ElevenLabs and choose a voice that matches your character. Type in your script, and within moments, you'll have a professional-grade voiceover ready to overlay on your animation. Take a listen to this voice sample.
How to transform ordinary footage into captivating animations with ease.
And that's a wrap on how to use Domo AI to animate your videos and ElevenLabs to bring them to life with incredible voiceovers. If this guide has sparked your creativity, show some love by typing AI animation in the comments. I will be doing a full video tutorial on Lensco AI next, so make sure to keep an eye out for it. Please subscribe for more exciting AI content. Give Domo AI Video Generator a try and let me know what you think. Until next time, happy creating!